Hi, I'm Pernella Harris. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and founder of Private Practice. Today, I want to talk to my mental health providers out there, specifically my mental health practice owners. If you're anything like me, you probably went into private practice with the hopes of serving your community, making more money, making a bigger impact, and having more control over your schedule and time. But what you soon realized after being in practice for a short amount of time is that you're now wearing multiple hats. You're the front desk person, you're the person who takes the referrals, you're the person who sees the client, markets the practice, collects all of the co-payments, collect all of the invoices, send the invoices out, reconcile the bills, and it just gets to be so daunting and so overwhelming. And you're spending so much time in your practice that you don't have time to grow your practice. Well, if you're anything like me, I can tell you I became discouraged in my private practice early on until I figured out the formula. And if you're discouraged right now, I want to say to you, hang in there. Help is on the way. Surround yourself with community. That was the first thing I did. I found me a community of other practice owners, and I have created a Facebook page with just solely practice owners, mental health practice owners of all different stages of practice, there to support you. No cost to that group. So we want to invite you to join that group so that you surround yourself with a good support network. The other thing that I did was I started educating myself, and that's exactly what I want to do with you. I want to educate you on the formula to grow and scale your practice. And I always say that before you can grow and scale, you have to have a great foundation because you want a sustainable practice that can be systematized so that you can replicate and scale more rapidly. If you scale before you make it sustainable, you're going to end up with a lot more problems than you need to. So I invite you to join my masterclass. This spring, we are doing a 5-day masterclass starting March 29th, going through April 2nd. The masterclass is Get Your Business Blooming Practice Growth Masterclass. So I want you to join me. The link is included in this post. Go ahead, register. You'll get your workbook, and I'll see you 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from our private Facebook page. Thanks so much. Help is on the way.